Welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to share photos on iPhone by tapping. So I have the iPhone 16 Pro Max here and the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I'm going to show you how these two phones can be brought together to share photos with one another. So the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is open settings on both devices, and you want to make sure that this feature is enabled for phone sharing. So basically what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see general. Go ahead and select general, and then you want to go to airdrop. Go ahead and tap on airdrop, and then make sure that this option here for bringing devices together is enabled on both phones. Otherwise you won't be able to use the tap sharing feature on iPhone. Once that is enabled, then what you want to do if you want to share a photo is you basically want to just open the Photos app. You want to go ahead and find a photo that you like in your Photos app, go ahead and tap on it, and then tap the share button on one of the phones or the device that you want to share with the other device. Once you tap on that share button, now what you want to do is bring these together or barely touch them, and you will see this light up right here, and then the phone that is going to accept will be asked if they want to accept the photo. Now, the first time that you do this, you're going to notice that it asks if you want to share contact info. So you would have to enable sharing contact info, and you can select between an email or a phone number. So if you don't want to share your phone number with the other phone that wants to share a photo with you, you don't have to. You can select just your email, and once you accept, then moving forward, anytime they come together, as long as you have that photo selected and the upload or share button tapped, then it will allow you to share with the other device when they touch. Hopefully that's helpful for you guys, and if so, feel free to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and have an awesome day.